you follow us if you see us?
Yeah, please follow some like.
And don't be too loud. There's a big monster in the back.
Yeah. Don't want to wake him up. Hey, back there.
Don't wake up Woody.
Oh, sorry. No.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody. Hello.
Hi there. Oh, hey, it's can you read the screen, Jay? Jay's down there reading the screen.
Yeah.
It's someone's birthday today.
Yeah.
Skelly.
Oh, yeah.
You guys want to sing happy birthday to Skelly?
Sure.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And many more. Yeah.
Woo.
Happy birthday, Skelly.
Happy birthday.
All right, Jay, any comments?
Yeah, any comments?
No questions or anything, no.
What's it say? Just read the stuff out.
R.I.P. Techno and the Queen says happy birthday.
Oh, happy birthday. Yeah, thanks,
I'm
R.I.P.
gonna go to the bathroom.
Techno and the Queen?
Go to the bathroom.
Who's got to go to the bathroom? Both of you guys?
No, her, not me.
Who? Oh, you got your hands up. Okay, you go to the washroom, then come back. We got a live show.
Live show.
Happy Saturday, everybody. Oh, hey, Gib.
Hey, Gib.
How you doing?
How are you?
Hey there.
Hello, everybody.
R.I.P. R.I.P. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. R.I.P. means rest in peace. R.I.P. means rest in peace. Peace. Oh, thanks for the hearts, everybody. That's great. That's awesome. Give us the hearts, not the farts.
Like and follow.
No farts, many hearts.
Yeah.
I hope they don't get that mixed up. Many farts, no hearts.
Like and follow.
Follow us, please. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks in advance.
Yeah, thank you if you do.
Do you guys like getting hearts from the fans?
Yeah, we love it.
Me too. It gets me excited. We can jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yeah, jump.
Do we have any jump songs? What's boom shakalaka boom? Was that a jump one?
Remember that hopper?
What's that one, Jay? Boom shakalaka boom. Jump. And there's crisscross
Yeah.
with jump, right? Crisscross.
And remember the hopper thing hop.
What's that thing on the screen? Oh, okay, that's just the comments. Thanks for the hearts, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Someone said Jesus. Okay, that's fine. Hi there. Hi, heart, pink heart stuff.
Hi, pink heart stuff.
Read anything you see, Jay. Tell them, read out their names.
Yeah.
Rain says hi.
Hi, Rain. Hi, Rain. How are you? Thanks for watching us. That's terrific. Oh, thanks. Who said? Someone said we're awesome, Jay. What's the name?
Movie D6 FP.
Thank you.
Movie Depicts. Thank you. Thank you. We love it. There's lots of people. We've got how many people, Jay?
9?
Oh, nice.
9 people. Yeah. 9. That's like no in German. We're saying no. What's yes in German?
I don't know.
I don't either. Anyway, any Germans out there?
Yeah, did you?
Hit us up if you're German.
Yeah.
Thanks for the heart. Just saw that. All right, we got a sleeping big dude in the back named Woody.
Hello, Woody.
Hey, Woody, can I get a beer? Can I use your tab to get a beer? Or, soda pop?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get a soda pop on Woody's tab. All right. What's Piano Man said no. No, maybe, is that German? German for yes? No means yes? We're not going to go there. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
We're moving on. All right, what else have we got, Jay? Guys, please share. Share the feed.
Share and like and heart.
Gib.
Share and like and heart.
Gib,
Share
where are
and
you?
like and heart. Share
Gib
and
it.
like and heart.
Okay, you Gib, I go to the washroom. You take over my spot. Take over the show, Gib. Don't make it suck.
Share and like and heart. Share and like and heart. Share and like and heart.
And follow. Don't forget to follow.
Let's dance. Yeah.
Hey, Scuzz, take over.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how's it going?
We're in the middle of dancing right now.
Oh, I like to dance. What's the dance?
We're just dancing.
Dance to France with Ants in your pants.
Yeah, I like to dance.
Yeah, we're
Let's
rocking
dance to
out.
France with Ants in your pants.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was actually really fun.
Hey, where did Tummers go?
Yeah. And
He danced and then took off. Oh, wow. So what's new, guys? What's going on?
Nothing really. We're just dancing.
Who's the guy back there?
Oh, he's Jay. He's reading the comments.
No, the other guy back there, the big brown guy.
Oh, Woody.
Woody.
The other big furry guy.
He doesn't talk much,
But
huh?
I'm invested.
We're cursed. What's going on, everybody? Hey!
Hey, everybody.
Hey, Scuzz.
I'll be back in a minute.
Okay, where you going, little dude?
I'm gonna get Squiddy.
Hey, Scuzz, what's new, buddy?
Not too much.
Oh yeah,
How about you? What's going on?
I went and bought a loaf of bread and gave it to a poor person.
Wow, that's really nice of you.
Then I ate the poor person. No, not really, just joking.
Oh, other one. Ooh.
Rain wants to know how you guys are.
We're great.
I'm pretty good. I'm a little tired today, but I'm good.
Your energy doesn't seem to be that high, Scuzz.
Like I said, tired.
Tired, like a big truck is tired. What's that?
Who are you calling big?
Well, Woody is back there. Look at him. Yeah. Oh, hey, Squiddy.
Hey, Squiddy.
Hey, Gibber. Cat got your tongue? There you go. You can talk.
Gib's tired.
Gib's got a sore throat.
Oh yeah, I do.
Where'd the other goblin go? This is getting boring. Hey, who's out there? Who's talking? Hey, who was that? Someone sent a
Go to the
gift.
bathroom,
Oh, someone
like,
sent a
send-
gift. We know him, remember? He fake sends you gifts because he's poor.
Yeah.
But we like you. You're really nice.
Hey,
Send
was
a
there
gift.
someone's birthday today or something?
Yeah, Skelly's birthday. You missed the sing-along.
Oh, you already sang it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I like singing that song.
You want to sing it again?
I do. I
Skelly would get 2 happy birthdays?
Nice.
That's weird. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And many more. Skelly,
Logan says WSP, guys.
what's that mean?
Yeah.
What's up?
What? I have to go to the slang dictionary.
No, what's up?
What's up, the sky, the ceiling?
No, what's up?
You are.
People, let's
No, what's
dance.
up?
Guys, let's dance.
Yeah, okay,
like
let's.
dancing.
Jump.
L33 says 1,000 lies.
1,000 likes? Yay! Thank you.
Lies.
Oh,
Oh.
okay, start with lie number 1 and we'll work our all the way through. What's lie number 1?
Yeah, what is it?
Hey, I can see a lady right behind Scuzz.
You meant to say 1,000 likes after.
Oh, thank you. 1,000 likes, yay! Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. What? Who's back? Oh, okay, you take over for me. I have to go to the washroom.
Okay.
Bye, guys. Ah!
Maybe please. Says that one guy sounds like Deadpool.
What guy?
Oh,
Guy.
okay. Which guy?
Yeah, guy.
I wish I made Deadpool's money. 2-hit movies.
Let's dance, guys. Yeah.
Take over, Scuzz.
Yeah. What is it?
I like me a good dance.
Yeah.
Okay, we got a request. Sing Never Ending Story.
Turn around. Look at what you see in her face. The mirror of your dreams. Make believe I'm everywhere. Hidden in the lines. Written on the pages is an answer to a never-ending story. Never-ending story. Reach the stars, fly fantasy, dream a dream, and what you see will be. Rhymes that keep their secrets will unfold behind the clouds, and upon a rainbow is an answer to a never-ending story. Never-ending story. Woo!
One more time.
Oh, I need a drink for my throat. I'll be back in a minute,
I'll
guys.
say it if I do it one more time.
Hey, why'd you sing that one, the Blinded by the Light one?
Yeah.
Ah, la, la.
I've been on the go. I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you could show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through a drought. You're even asking too much.
Much.
You can turn me on with just a touch,
Touch.
baby.
Me.
I look around and city's cold and empty. No one's around to touch me. I can see clearly when you're gone.
Gone.
I said,
Ooh.
I'm blinded
By the light.
No, I can sleep until I feel your touch. I said,
Ooh.
I'm
Blinded by
running in the
night.
night. Oh, when I'm like this, you know when I trust.
Just.
Yeah. Whew.
Oh, good job, guys.
That was half of
That's great. That's really great.
I'll never let you go this time. Okay, I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the light. No, I can sleep until I feel your touch.
Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody.
I'll take a break for a second. I need a break too.
What? Everybody need
I
break.
need break.
What? The cray. Oh, hello. I see people writing on the screen. Oh, hello, everybody. WTJ is this? What does that mean? Jay, read the comment.
Give me F00D WTG is this.
What? What that? Where'd everybody go?
Me coming back.
Oh, hi there, Timmer.
Hello.
Hi, Timmer. Jump, 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 jump. Hi, Squiddy. How are you? Hi, Squiddy.
Clubber CC says totally awesome.
Thank you, Clubby XD. Okay, someone take over.
Chevy Fox 27.
Hello,
I love
everybody. Hey, what's going on? Did I miss anything?
Hey, guys, I got my drink. I feel better now. What's going on? What I miss? What I
That's
miss?
exactly what I just
36 people.
36 people.
36.
this. And what the thing is in the bag. I think it's the
36 people.
bigger.
Oh, there's a pig back there. Yeah, that's a pig warrior.
And that guy.
And there's
And that's Woody back there with the big mouth.
I'll go beside him.
I think he's sleeping.
Hey, do you know any more songs? I wouldn't mind singing another song.
Let me
What do you
see.
got? What do you know?
I don't really know. I don't have anything in my mind right now. I probably have songs, but I forget them.
Oh, well.
Do you know any songs that I know?
I don't know.
Oh. Well, let's dance anyway.
Dancing's fun.
Yeah. I like dancing.
Oh,
The show, slow down.
Hey. Oh, who the heck are you?
Who are you?
Ugh. Let me touch you.
I'm.
Hi there.
What's going on?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Look at my scary face.
That's pretty scary, I
My
have to say. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you?
Hello.
Great.
What's going on in internet world?
uh,
Hello, internet world.
Hello. I'll just do the screen.
Hi, I'm so excited. I'm so
What's with this
excited.
guy?
He's funny.
Oh, you're funny first.
You're funny.
You're really funny.
You're funnier.
You're funny.
You're funny.
Who's that big guy moving back there? Look. Oh, he's awake.
Oh, he's awake finally.
Oh, he's awake.
Oh, gee.
You woke him up. Ah!
Is he gonna eat us all?
He ate someone already.
Ah! Who'd he eat?
Some little bug.
Oh,
But it was gross, so I'm glad he ate it.
yeah.
Somebody slay that beast back there.
Don't hurt us. We're
Woody.
friendly.
We're very friendly.
Be kind.
Be kind, rewind.
Quickly, get some popcorn and throw it in his mouth.
Did you
Make
say
it like-
popcorn?
I love popcorn.
Where's your popcorn?
I was hoping you brought the popcorn.
I didn't bring popcorn. You're supposed to bring the popcorn.
You said you were gonna bring the popcorn.
I did not, Scuzz. Stop lying.
Ugh.
Woody's gonna eat both of us if we don't calm down.
Well, let's
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Give us some likes. Follow us, please.
Oh yeah.
No
follow
one
us.
sees me.
Hey,
Likes,
Woody.
follow.
No one can see me. Hello.
Hello 22465 Slay.
Hello. Hello, friends. Hello, how's it going? Hello. How's it going?
We got Woody waking up back there.
No, he's gonna eat me. He's my baby dragon.
Where'd everybody go?
Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Hello, Fred. Hello.
What I miss? What I miss?
We need to go watch the guy. We're friends. Where did he go?
Oh, that guy woke up, huh?
Hello.
That was some nap he had.
I'm a really small sock.
Yes, I see that.
I'm a living
Stinky sock too. When was the last time you went in the washing
Hey,
machine?
Goldie, can you go to the other side,
Maybe
please?
2 months.
Goldie.
All right. Jeez.
Us dance people.
Hey, how you guys doing out there? Hey, how are things?
Great. Did you notice me? I'm really small.
Going okay.
Hey, Saki.
Hi.
Suck it to ya.
Hey, guys wanna dance?
Sure, I like to dance.
Hey, wait, yeah.
What song should we sing out there?
I don't know.
Let us know.
What?
They gotta let us know. Let us know.
Song suggestion.
Yeah.
Song suggestions.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh, you're doing good. Great. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Ah, good to hear.
Yeah.
Hello, 22465. Good stuff. And something. Great. Do you see that big guy back there, guys?
Whoa, he's a big fellow.
Hey, he's a big fellow. Look,
Big, all right.
he's still asleep. He's pretending he's eating in his sleep. Hopefully not me.
Does everyone steer clear of that mouse?
You're telling me. Look at that guy.
I'm over here. I'm so
Ooh,
close.
don't get so close.
I'm gonna meet you over there.
Your life's in
He
jeoplady.
might swallow you whole.
Play our time.
Our time said what?
Hello.
Play our time.
Hello.
Play our time.
Little Dark Days said that.
I'm back.
Oh, I don't know that song. Anyone know that song?
No, I don't know.
I don't know.
Came back for hugs.
Oh, hey. There you go. That's the only hug you're getting from me.
Hello, back.
You're too scaly and sweaty.
Hello
You're scaly and
22465 Big
sweaty.
guy eat them all.
What? Don't you dare get that monster hungry.
Yeah.
We'll send him after you.
I don't
We'll send him after you.
I'm too small to
I'm
get
too
eaten.
beautiful to be eaten.
I'm
Yeah, me too.
I'm cute to get eaten. I'm way too cute.
I'll eat you, Socky. Although you stink.
I'll protect you. I'm your friend.
It's a dirty
Get
sock.
rid of that
I'm
sock.
always your friend.
Dirty sock.
I'm your friend, I thought.
Woody, what's going on back there, buddy?
How long is this live stream
Please
gonna
don't
be?
eat us.
Yeah,
How long is
please.
this live
Don't
stream
eat
gonna
us.
be? No, eat us.
I'm good. How are you? I'm good, says Miranda something. I'm great. I hope you're doing
Miranda.
well. Hope things are great. How are things with you, Goldie?
Good, I'm good.
Excellent. Good to hear. Oh, Squiddies.
Living my life, you know how it is.
Yeah, you live, you live. You live, let live.
Hello.
Squiddy freaks me out. He's all tentacly.
Go away,
Yeah,
go
he
away.
stuck to me the other day.
Yeah,
It
it's,
took half the day to get him off.
yeah, it leaves quite the mark.
Oh, you're telling me.
Squiddy, back off a bit. All right.
Move.
Personal
Move.
space, Squiddy.
Yes.
The guy
Yes?
up. He's up.
He's up over there. Oh, jeez.
He's moving his mouth.
He's munching at flies.
Yeah, well, he hasn't eaten in days.
He's moving. Oh, jeez. We may not survive this episode.
Woody and him are talking.
The Spaghetti Lord says this is so wholesome. Oh, thank you. I like my flour
How
wholesome.
long is this live stream gonna be?
I don't know. Who's ugly? Miranda's ugly?
I'm tired.
Not compared to these little guys.
I wish I could think of a song.
Munching on fly. Oh, what type of song? How about a wimbo way, 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 a wimbo. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Ooh, ah, ah, ya, 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 ya. That's all I know. That's all I know. Sorry, guys.
Hello, I hate
Remember to follow us. We're trying to get
Follow,
50
share.
new followers.
Hello. Hello. The big guy back there.
What's
Who's
happening?
gonna fight the big guy?
Yeah.
They're gonna fight?
Hello.
If we get 50 new followers, Woody will fight Squiddy. My money's on Woody.
Yeah, although don't count out Squiddy.
Okay, we got someone, Josh says we are the Imperial, the armies are enemies of the Emperor. Okay.
Sure, okay.
That's, where are you from? More exciting than here. Sounds like you're in a war somewhere. Anyways, guys, please follow. It says, it's been a year, Daddy. Okay, then.
Hello.
He's been out in the sun too long with that type of
I
comment.
think so.
Oh, Toronto! We like Toronto. The CN Tower, the Toronto Blue Jays. Yeah! All right, guys. We got 17 people watching. Yeah! Yeah! All right, I have to go to the washroom. Who's taking over my spot? We got 17 people watching. That's pretty darn
That's
good.
exciting. Share.
Share.
Give it some likes.
Like and follow. Like and follow. Like and follow. Like and follow. Like and follow.
Coco says sing Shake It Off from Taylor Swift.
Ooh, we like that one. Shake it up.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Shake it off.
Shake it off.
How's it going back there, Mumsy? Woody?
Mumsy, where's Mumsy?
Sorry.
I'm not quite sure where he is.
Sorry, wrong. I said the wrong person.
Oh, do you mean me, Thomas?
No, back there.
Thomas!
Back there. What's
Thomas!
the song that we should sing?
My name's Thomas!
Yeah, what song should we sing?
Huh?
What song should we sing?
Yeah, we need another suggestion.
How about, Duke of Earl? Duke of Earl. 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 As I walk through this world, nothing can stop the Duke of Earl, and I'd be your girl. I don't know anymore. Oh, yet so I'm gonna love you. Wow, wow, nothing can stop me now, 'cause I'm the Duke of Earl. So
Oh, jeez.
Ugh.
Have mercy. All right.
Dang it. Oh, my
A
throat.
hairball in there.
My
But
throat.
that was a
Oh.
great song, though.
Thank you, but my throat.
Okay.
Go get a lozenge.
Lozenge time, honey.
Lozenge.
Lozenge.
Honey and lemon.
Lozenge.
Honey, I need to take a break for a second, guys.
It's just Goldie now.
Oh,
Stage fright.
Stage fright!
Hit the spotlight, Goldie. Get right up there.
Ah! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I don't do well on my own.
Oh, it's okay. I have you. I'm your friend.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm just.
What's going on? I'm back, baby.
Oh,
Ah.
You got your lemon water okay?
Yes, and my throat feels great.
Oh, good. Thank goodness.
Yeah.
I got my laugh back.
Oh, good. I'm so glad you're back.
Me too. How'd it go all by yourself, Goldie?
Oh,
I cheer
I
you
get
up.
so scared when I'm on my own.
Did I cheer you up a little bit?
You've got confidence problems. Not me.
No,
Ah.
not you.
Did I cheer you up a little
Yes,
bit?
you did. Thank you.
Okay.
That big guy still trying to eat flies in his sleep.
Yeah, I don't think he knows.
Look at him
what's
go.
going on back there.
Eating like
Just
crazy.
steer clear of that mouth.
He's eating like
Who's watching us? Name your names. We'd like to know who you are.
People are watching.
Let's see. Over 10, 14 people. Yeah. Like and share. Like and share. Like and share. Like. Oh, and follow. Follow. Don't wallow, it's time to 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 follow. Oh, my throat again.
Oh, geez. You gotta clear your throat.
Like and follow. Like
Can follow. Like and follow. Like and follow.
Like and follow.
Woo.
I'm getting tired. How many people are watching us? 2?
12.
12! Yay!
Are there any other songs we can sing?
He's so big. He's so big.
I don't know. Uh-oh, what's going on back there? Look,
Oh, stay away from his mouth.
he'll eat you.
He will eat you
So
whole.
the grander asked, you got your lady who's in the background.
That's Woody. He's a big monster who is sleeping, and he eats little guys like us. Stay away. Battle, battle. Fight. Octagon. UFC. Yay.
Just be careful, guys.
Don't get eaten.
He will swallow you whole if you let him.
My name is Dakaran. What's that say, Jay?
Dakota.
Your name's Dakota! North Dakota, South Dakota, we like all Dakotas!
Dakota.
I gotta go, it's cold outside, I'm gonna put a Dakota on.
Good one.
Thank you, thank you. I'll be here all week. What? Save him!
Save them!
Oh.
That's what you get for hitting.
Call Monster 11! Ah! 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 Man, we scream a lot. I think they're fine.
I think so. That was a close call.
Close call!
Woo, you guys.
Things are dangerous around
I
here.
almost got eaten, and I almost got eaten too.
Well, what were you guys doing so close to his mouth?
What are you thinking?
We were trying to
He's too big. You
Hey,
need like 40 of you little guys.
you guys are like breath mints to him.
You guys got like a big dog, little dog complex. You're not that tough. Or little dog, big dog. Little dog, big dog. I'm a little dog who thinks he's a big dog.
Woof.
Somebody was 6 my favorite monsters.
Which ones? All of us? Yeah! Especially me.
Especially me.
How dare you, Tip?
So cute.
You are cute, but I've got bigger teeth.
But I'm so cute. And
We're all cute in our own.
Please follow!
especially you.
Aw,
Please follow! Oh, thanks for the hearts!
Woohoo! Follow us.
Follow us! Follow us! Follow us! Follow and heart too! And fart too! And fart too! Give us some farts! Give us some farts! I mean hearts. Sorry about that.
No, that's too smelly.
Who's thinking?
Sorry about that. Yeah, no farts, please! No farts! No farts! Just hearts!
Okay, I'm gonna go to the big guy.
Don't you
See if I can
wallow,
talk to
it's
him.
time to
I'm
follow!
going to go to the big guy so I can see if I can talk to him.
Go talk some sense into him. Just don't die!
Don't die. Don't
Die! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! Don't die! Okay, let's watch. Ah! 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 Yeah! Don't die! He's very deadly!
come back.
He ate my next door neighbor! Now it's your turn! Are you seeing this? Call Monster 11! I wish I could help, but I'm too fragile.
And I'm gonna keep this show going.
Oh, you're taking over. Bye. Get in the spotlight.
No, I'm here to help.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Want to dance or sing a song?
Okay, we better go save him. Let's end the show and save
All
him.
right, all right, all
So
right.
please heart, please heart.
Bye.
Follow. Don't wallow. Time to follow.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, everybody.